In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export a Canva file as a PDF. Whether you're sharing a document online or handing a high-quality print to a client, exporting correctly makes all the difference. Start by opening the Canva design you want to export. Make sure you're in the editor with the right file loaded so that any last-minute edits are reflected in the final PDF. Next, head to the top right of the editor and click Share. From the menu that opens, choose Download. This is where Canva gathers all the export options in one place. You'll see a field showing the current file type, often set to PNG by default. Click that field to open the full list of formats. If your goal is quick online sharing, like emailing a brochure, embedding a file on a site, or posting a menu, choose PDF Standard. It creates a compact file that loads fast and looks crisp on screens. If you need a professional print, posters, flyers, business cards, or anything destined for a printer, select PDF Print. This preserves the quality needed for sharp text and clean graphics on paper. When you choose PDF Print, take a moment to adjust the settings. Turn on Flatten PDF. Flattening simplifies complex layers and effects, which can reduce the file size and help avoid issues with transparency, missing fonts, or slow printers. If your design is meant to print to the very edge, and especially if a printer has requested it, enable crop marks and bleed. Bleed extends your artwork slightly beyond the trim line, so there are no white slivers at the edges after cutting. And crop marks show exactly where the paper should be trimmed. Note that this option is available with a Pro plan and only matters if your design is intended for full bleed printing. Once your choices are set, click Download. Canva will process the file and save the PDF to your device's Downloads folder. On both computers and phones, that's usually the default location, so it's easy to find and share. If you're exporting a large, image-heavy project, give Canva a moment to prepare the file. A progress indicator will show while it generates your PDF. Keep your internet connection stable during this step. To recap, open your design, go to Share, select Download, pick PDF Standard for screen viewing, or PDF Print for professional output. Adjust flatten and bleeding options if needed, and then download. Follow these steps and you'll get a PDF that looks the way you expect, wherever it's viewed or printed.